Floating down the old road where the grass grows through the cracks. Thought I heard you call my name, but it faded to the back. There was a place we used to hide, past the fence and crooked line. Every moment felt so wide. We were young and out of time. Every step I trace pulls me closer to your face. Still feel the sound of your heartbeat in the ground. When the night comes falling, I can almost hear you sing. All the words unspoken, still alive in everything. When the night comes falling, I keep drifting in between all the years we borrow, like a never-ending dream. Still wear that silver chain, rust along the edges now. If I could go back again, I would never leave this town. When the night comes falling, I can almost hear you sing. All the words unspoken, still alive in everything. When the night comes falling, I keep drifting in between all the years we borrow, like a never-ending dream. Floating down the old road where the grass grows through the cracks. Nothing ever stays the same, but some memories come back.
I spent another 4 seasons alone. It is midsummer again in a week. The days aren't much different, just used to being alone with time. One's own morning, one's own sunset, one's own night, one's own yesterday, today and tomorrow. Just the same life, living alone. Just the same life, a little fragility. Just the same life, forthright joys, forthright sadness. Just the same life, everything passed blandly. Spent another 4 seasons alone. It is midsummer again in a wink. The days aren't much different, just used to being alone with the time. One's diary, one's memories, one's yearning, one's day after day. Just the same life, living alone. Just the same life, a little fragility. Just the same life, forthright joys, forthright What made me run away? What made you run away? What were the reasons? Trying not to think about it anymore. I'm not thinking about it anymore.
When talking, whispering secrets of a brand new day, it would tell of places far away and stories that are here to stay. It might sing of love that's in the air, or warn of storms that we should beware. The wind would share all that it's aware, in a voice that's gentle, soft and fair, fair. Talking, whispering secrets of a brand new day, it would tell of places far away and stories that are here to stay. It might sing of love that's in the air, or warn of storms that we should beware. The wind would share all that it's aware, that's gentle, soft and fair, fair. See,
Meiktila Lake, Kalaw Queen, Yaishiga Pianga Pianga Musu Sancho Podmiji, Ei Paro Queen, Changji Galimi, Jaganoi, Jantoya Ome, Nesi Meikhtila.
Meikhtila Lake, la chaited me, she, me, Chanda, China, Tanzania. Mandalay could be me queen. A quick will be me, need to be not to value. I want to die, while I'm lazy. The lazy, so don't